Welcome back. It's been a month since my last video, which I believe you can tell from my hair. I didn't get cut since then, and in that period I did some things. So first, T for 20, and second, my AP scores came. Look at this. Yeah, I decided to make another video before my inferiority complex gets me. So here we are today. And what am I doing? I'm going to learn Angular, which you might say Angular. I thought we were making an API, which I already did the API. So it works right now. It's version 1, but I'm also needing to learn Angular. And let's learn Angular to make the website for my APIs. People can know what my API does. So let me show you. Yeah, I originally find a 17-hour long video, but we both know I'm not going to finish it, so I found a shorter one, which from this channel, I don't know, the bald man. So we are going to do this. Not we. I'm just going to finish this, then cut the video. But I'm also going to show the makings of API, since I said I already made it, but let me show you for now. But I'm going to talk about it too, which you can also find it, or it's closed, I don't know. Yeah, there's also a GitHub repo which I will put under somewhere. See, here it is for now, which is written in the best language in the world. Yeah, let me just finish that video and cut after it, so you can tell how much it took me from the weather. I don't know, the sun. Yeah, I don't remember how the light was, but it's definitely not the next day today. So apparently I know Angular now, but I didn't watch the video anyways. So here you go. Made a small prototype about the landing page, which is the only page because I don't know that much Angular. So I don't wanna use server-side rendering or some fancy stuff. I used to do just HTML without CSS, so this is a little improvement. And so yeah, now we are going to be making this in Angular. Yeah, I don't know how many days have passed, but I just finished it. Yeah, I put it under the domain, and the first version, if the site works now, I didn't quite finish it because these things don't work, but the main part is, yeah, the main part is pretty working, so you can test it. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna finish it after the video, because I'm bored. And yeah, actually didn't get bored and decided to finish the site. But to finish the site, I need to put a link for this YouTube button there, because if it was just GitHub and Discord, it will look so empty. So here we are. We are going to finish the video, but to finish the video, I need to finish the project. And to finish the project, I need to finish the video. So yeah, I didn't talk about the algorithm behind the API part, which is the part that responds to the HTTP request. So it's not that complicated to begin with anyways, and let me explain that so we can finish the video and I can finish the website. Yeah, I thought I would make it with a green screen to make it more entertaining, but I did not. I'm lazy for it, so I'll just explain it here. No paint, no nothing, just me. So let's start. And it has two main parts to begin with, which the first one is the one that has a very large list of bad words, like 2000 lines of it, and the other part is the one that responds to HTTP requests, like the HTTP server part. And how that works is the HTTP server part is using the HTTP server HTTP yeah, the HTTP server part uses the HTTP servers class, which I used it in the early videos to make the blog server, which I closed it because I don't want to pay for it. So yeah, it's the same thing as that, and it gets the request from the GET request first gets the URI part, and then we get the URI and we decode it with the HTTP. Yeah, after it gets decoded with URIs, because in the URI it's like encoded to be able to transfer it with the HTTP protocol. So we decode that back to UTF-8, and then we look for certain symbols like add, tree, and one some numbers. Then we convert those numbers to letters that look like it, because someone might like replace a letter in there with a at symbol, like A with at, and get away with it. So we replace that, and you might ask, why don't we do that in the list part? You know, I tried that. I wrote a code that will look every little uh, yeah, I wrote a code that will take the string and make a 50 other strings that looks like it. And after I did that, it came out to be 5 gigabytes, and my $1 a month VPC only has 2 gigabytes of RAM, so we can't import that into a heap of the Java code, so I couldn't use that. And the best possible way is this, and the only problem right now is with the number 1, which can be used as L and I. So right now I'm just transferring to I, which is, I believe, more common, but it could be L and they would still get away with it in this version. But hey, it's the best I could do for now. And yeah, after it gets the symbols to letters part, and we have a string, which then we compare against a list of banned words. So how do we do that part? Which is, I can't optimize that part because the algorithms for searching a substring is already in the Java built-in, and I can write my own algorithm, like implement it in there. I'm not gonna write my own algorithm, that's stupid. Like, I don't remember the name, more algorithm, I believe is the most efficient for now, and I believe that's already used by Java, so I don't need to do it, and there is not easy way to make it more efficient than scaling the server. So right now it pulls like 260 milliseconds, but my server is in Canada and I'm in Turkey, so most of that part is like the network communication, which probably takes like the 210 milliseconds. So if it gets funded, so I can put more servers and make it fast for everyone. Yeah, that's basically it.